Good day, I'm Adrian Atkinson and this is your JIS News for Thursday, July 4. Tourism stakeholders can expect a good summer tourist season this year. That projection came from Tourism Minister Dr. Wickham McNeill as he made his contribution to the sectoral debate Tuesday. The minister said market research and available airlift and forward bookings information all pointed to an increase in stopover arrivals.
We have already had growth in stopover arrivals in May of 2.3% and June 3.2%. On a more positive note, Mr. Speaker, for the first month of summer, figures for the first month of summer are showing a rebound in the Canadian market of 8.6% over last year, and we have returned to growth out of the UK for the first time in a long time, over 11%.
Air Canada's new leisure carrier, Rouge, made its inaugural flight to Jamaica on July 1, touching down at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. In addition, there's expected to be an increase in the number of airlift seats between Toronto, Canada and Montego Bay, pushing the numbers to 100,000 seats, up from 65,000. Transport Works and Housing Minister Dr. Omar Davies says government is addressing the plight of small contractors on the Jeep, where the funding mechanism and its bureaucratic process put them at a disadvantage.
The GOJ puts up its 15%, which is then goes through a bureaucratic process for China Harbour to get the other 85% from China Exim Bank. And it has turned out to be, it may not be a bad arrangement or for a large contractor, but for small contractors who then have to wait. And it has been raised by several persons, including the opposition spokesman on finance. And we have managed to get some resources to deal with the smallest of the contractors.
Minister Davies says government is in the process of getting more funds within a couple of weeks. Government is considering a new, more consultative system to review requests and grant extensions on entertainment permits. Tourism and Entertainment State Minister Damien Crawford says parish extension committees are being considered as work continues on amendments to the Noise Abatement Act. He told Parliament this week that extension requests now go to the minister, who may have little knowledge of the local realities.
The parish extension committees will seek to look at events that are wanting to have an extension, because not all events, Mr. Speaker, are interested in being extended. Those who are seeking to have an extension will apply to this parish extension committee that will be meeting twice per month.
The proposed parish extension committees would include police, a parish council representative, an entertainment or event organizer, an ordinary citizen, and a member of the church community. 375 grade 3 students from 3 parishes will get help this summer in a free literacy camp designed to improve their reading and literacy skills. Camp Summer Plus is fully funded by the United States Agency for International Development. It's being organized by the Jamaica Basic Education Project in collaboration with the Ministry of Education.
I want to use this occasion to support and to encourage the idea of summer engagement, summer camps in all of our schools, and to plead for the sponsorship of our churches, our service clubs and our business houses to avoid the regression that takes place during the summer.
The 5-week program will begin on July 8 and will be held at the Holy Trinity High School in Kingston, Jose Marti High School in St. Catherine and the Albion Primary and Junior High School in St. James. And finally, Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna led tributes for the late national hero Norman Manley at Heroes Park Thursday morning as the country marked the 120th anniversary of his birth. Minister Hanna said the late hero was an overcomer who never shied away from challenges and whose influence is still being felt today.
The raft of groundbreaking legislations he led and the economic social policy initiatives he piloted in his many years as Member of Parliament in the House of Representatives and the Chief Minister and Premier still reverberate positively in the lives of Jamaican people today.
The annual wreath laying at Heroes Park was followed by a ceremony at the late hero's Roxborough, Manchester home, where a permanent exhibition on his life was opened Thursday afternoon. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thanks for watching.